Hey y'all, good morning. Welcome back to a new vlog. I want to say welcome to all the new subscribers because y'all, I gained over 160 subscribers within a week and I'm super grateful. Like, I freaking love y'all and I hope you guys stick around and heavy on stick around because baby, my life ain't shit fun over here. I don't go out every weekend, so I upload what I can, and then I'm not gonna go out of my way to do something just to make a vlog. Like, I'm not that girl. And I don't think I'll ever be. Definitely leave a comment down below. I love when you guys comment because one thing about it, I'm gonna respond to everybody. I might not respond right away, but I'm always gonna respond. Today's Saturday. I usually do mask on Saturdays. The mask I'm gonna do is the detoxifying peel off mask. I got this from Target and I haven't brushed my teeth yet. I'm literally here talking to y'all with my stinking ass breath and crossing my fucking eyes. So I need to go skincare shopping and also oral hygiene shopping because pretty much I'm out of everything. So for right now, the products that I'm going to use, hold on y'all. Okay, there we go. Sofa cleanser. This is the one I use. Due to the People Kale and Spinach Wash, and I love this down to the ground, y'all. As far as serums today, I'm just going in with the Good Molecules Hyaluronic and Niacinamide. And I'm gonna exfoliate today. Y'all, look at this ghetto shit. What the fuck is this? Like, I need to get my life together. But this exfoliator right here, oh my god, obsessed. Love, 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 love. And then for moisturizer now, I'm just going with this Hydrate and Glow Mask and this Verse moisturizing gel. I don't have any sunscreen and I don't have any toner. And I already showed you guys the mask, and I'm gonna use my Good Molecules eye patches. I haven't used these in so long. I didn't remember that I had these. I was cleaning the fridge last night and I seen that it was hidden like all the way in the back, so I'm gonna get back into using these. I personally love these. I know the girlies are going crazy right now for the topicals. There's a thing about me, I don't like to jump on everything that I see everyone with. Like, I'm very selective with what I pick and choose, and that one I just feel like it's just for aesthetic. I feel like it doesn't do anything, but then I can't be one to talk because I've never really tried it. But I don't feel like I want to try it because I love these. So that's my skincare situation for those who's never seen or know what I use. And then these towels right here, the best. And I know a lot of y'all use the Clean Skin towel wipes, but I've literally tried those. I didn't like them. They did not smell good. It actually was breaking up my skin, so that's why I got into this. This is why I don't like to create content while cooking, because some shit always gotta happen. It's later on in the day, y'all, and I'm just here about to watch me a movie. But I did receive my Amazon packages, and I'm gonna do like a little montage for the haul because baby, I don't feel like talking through it. Like, I just don't. So I'm just gonna like put a little description explaining what I got, what it's for, yada yada yada. But one of the items that I got that I'm super excited about is a little light, and I have so many lights. I already know what camera I use. I use the DJI Pocket 3. I used to use the DJI Pocket 2. Like, I'm a DJI girly, and I like to find little gadgets and equipments that could make my life easier. And I found this cute ass light. Like, it's so freaking small. Like, it's so tiny compared to the other ones that I've had. So I have it installed on camera right now, and I'm gonna test it out to see if there's any difference. So that's the warm light, and that's the cool light. But I mainly buy this for whenever I go to restaurants and I'm trying to get like footage of my food. Instead of holding up my freaking flashlight like this, I could have this. So I think it's pretty bright. It's pretty bright. It has 2 buttons on it. I don't know what. Ooh. Okay. That's bright as hell. Oh, it even got brighter. Just turn it off. And to be honest, y'all, I'm really happy about this purchase because the reviews were they weren't given. Like, they weren't given. Like, if it was up to the reviews, I would have not bought it. But you know, I like to take risks. And here we are, and I love it. So if you're using this camera, and I feel like you could put it on your phone or just any camera that you use, this is something that you need to get. Y'all, we're outside. I changed my hair. Whew, I'm so hot.
Original girl, you want a replica. Smoothie, no regular. But you for real, chip on my cellular. Don't say you hot. They ain't never had a pretty girl from Joburg. See me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel, cause I got a chauffeur. First class, how I get around the world. Just music, the drama. Unless you come here with that commas. Oh, DJ, tell me something. Cause we about to pour the rounds up. From Jersey to Ibiza. Cause yeah, it doesn't get sweeter. Some of it banging like sneaker. Sweating on my contour. Skin tight, no millimeter. And my face kind make it feel weaker. Let them know that my body is a healer. Jump. Oh, you know I like to make it jump. Make it top. You know I like to make it jump.
I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty. Is somebody gonna match my freak? Is somebody gonna match my freak? Is somebody gonna match my nasty? I got stamina, they say I'm an athlete. Is somebody gonna match my freak?
Hey y'all, so I'm having a great morning. Like, I'm in a good mood. The music is hitting, the sun's not too hot, my hair is giving. Baby, I'm headed to work right now, and I'm gonna do something outside my comfort zone. I've never done this before, and that's take you out to work with me today. I'm not really gonna record everything, but I'm gonna show you guys bits and pieces, and I'm late. So with me being late, I'm hoping and praying that I'm able to, you know, get what I need to get done and also show you guys what I'm doing. But yeah, y'all, come with me to work today, and it seems like it's gonna rain too. Hopefully it don't. Even though it really don't affect me. And I posted a vlog this morning, and in the vlog I was saying, like, you know, I wasn't doing anything, so it's boring. And I need to stop telling myself that my vlogs are boring, because whenever I hear other people saying that their vlogs are boring because they don't go nowhere, they don't do anything, I'm always like giving them that girl talk, like, you know, content is content, because at the end of the day, you're gonna have your own audience. Like, not everybody want to see you pop out shaking ass in the club. Not everybody always want to see you traveling. You know, they want to see you doing regular normal shit. So I need to take my own advice. And anybody that watched that vlog, thank you so much.
Hello, good evening. This is Shakera. Good. I'm fine, how are you? No, but I can figure it out.
So y'all, I gotta whisper because I think auditors are here, and this is something I'm not really supposed to do. I'm just putting some information in the database. We typically have to do this every day. I always do it. Other people could, but I always get to it first. And I'm using my iPad because the company's computer is mad slow. So yeah. I know y'all could hear people in the background, but that's one of the individuals that live at a house. And he's like one of my favorites. I love him. He's so cute. Of course, I'm not going to put him on camera because I won't have no job after that.
What the fuck? I'm trying to prop y'all up over here, but it keeps flying off. Like, I literally had to stop the van just now because my lens flew off. And I'm just having a chaotic moment today. Like, earlier on my way to work, it was good vibes, good vibes. Now it's just like, ah! So right now I'm headed to go pick up the individuals from the day program. And this typically takes like an hour and 30 minutes depending on the traffic. So because it's just me alone in the van at the moment, I'm able to dip and dash through traffic. But once they're in, I can't do that. I gotta be Miss Daisy on the People Government Road. Baby. God, I'm gonna tell my man Eddie. My man not gonna like that. I'm tired, y'all. Very much tired. Did I do anything like that? Absolutely not. It's 7 o'clock. We typically eat anytime we want to. And I'm trying to not eat later. Normally I'll eat from 6 o'clock, but because I was trying to vlog this for y'all, it took me quite some time. So now I'm eating 7 o'clock. And I'm just headed to go pick up my food. And yeah, but I'm tired. Play some music. Music make me lose control. Music make me lose control. Bro, I freaking love this song. I freaking love this song. I love this song. I love this song so much. Stop waiting for no. This song here, bad. Valiant anger the song.
Some papers.
Hi, Francine. Hi. I'm here to give you a minute, okay? Okay. Open wide. You want me to turn off the TV? Yeah. Okay. Good night. Hey, Richie. Richard. Here to give you medication. Good night. So it's time to go home, okay? It's time to go to my yard because a bitch is fucking tired. Hey y'all, car Shakera checking in because I'm always in car at this point. Please go through this light.
Of course not. Anyways, I'm headed to work right now because that's all a bitch do. I don't think I'm going to take y'all to work with me today because the last time I tried to vlog for y'all, it was hectic as fuck. But I got a few packages in the week, but I didn't pick up my camera and bother to show y'all because in my last vlog I did a bunch of haul. This vlog I don't want it to be that. So I did get a few items, stuff for Madison's birthday. I'm not necessarily having a party for her, but you know, I'm blowing up balloons and she's gonna have a cake. It's just gonna be something intimate. I wanted to take her to the city to this balloon story museum type thing because she's obsessed, y'all. When I say obsessed, that little girl is obsessed with balloons. So I wanted to do that. I need to get the tickets actually. If I don't end up anyways. But yeah, if I don't end up taking her to the museum, it's just gonna be a chill day. Just gonna cut her cake, you know, chill. I'ma fill up her pool in the back because she has a big pool in the back. I'm gonna let her do that and just have fun. Like, I feel like kids, they require minimal effort, not like us grown folks that want to do the most. So I'm gonna just do things that, you know, she loves. Like I said, she loves balloons, and she's also a mermaid, so I think she's gonna be happy to be in a pool in the back. But I'm gonna try to set up the balloons from Saturday night so she could wake up to them Sunday morning. So that, I think I'm gonna show you guys the process. I want to make a balloon garland, if that's how it's pronounced. Don't butcher me, y'all already know I'm Jamaican. I don't ever say nothing right. But I'm gonna try to make a balloon garland. I'm going for pastel colors. I did pay for her cake yesterday, and she got her birthday dress, so that's basically it. But I'm gonna vibe to my music, and this man next to me in this truck is staring me down because what the hell. And yeah, like, I'm talking to my camera, I ain't talking to you.
Good morning, girly bots. Who's that? Because I ain't expecting no package today. But speaking of package, I got a couple packages here. I was telling y'all yesterday that, you know, I bought some stuff because my baby's birthday is tomorrow, and I'm supposed to pick up her cake later on today, like around 5:30. So let me go start my morning. I'm about to make me some oatmeal because I've been eating eggs all freaking week. Probably fry some plantains on the side. Have like a plantain sandwich. I'm gonna eat a jello, drink my Ensure, drink my agua, and I need to wash those dishes. Actually, do need to do laundry. I think I'm gonna do a clay mask today. Yeah, and brush my teeth. I don't really have much to do today, really. Just pick up the cake. I need to get tape, and I need to get a bow. Actually, let me put these in my notes because I have a tendency of forgetting things. And yeah. I literally just told y'all I wasn't gonna eat no eggs, and what's that? But I got some fruits and my oatmeal, and I'm gonna read my Bible and journal. So I picked up Madison's cake today, and I just realized I didn't show you guys. And it's really, really, really cute. And tell me, I want y'all to comment down below if this is worth $145, because I asked other people and they said absolutely not. But I'm the type of person, if I see your work is good, I'm going to pay that money. And even though it's a very small cake, I take into consideration people's time, their materials, and just their all-around creativity. And I feel like this cake is worth $145. I might be bugging, who knows, but it's my daughter and I feel like she deserves it because I would have spent $145 and more on shit that I really don't need. So this is a beauty right here, y'all, and it's so freaking stunning, and I've used this baker before and I absolutely love. But the only issue that I have with the cake right now is that I specifically told her that I didn't want the rainbow because all her other cakes had rainbow, and I didn't want like the happy birthday sign, but I could work with that because she did really good. This is like the reference photo, and she even added her own little razzle dazzle to it, like the gold particles. I'm seeing sprinkles. Like, it's a beautiful ass cake, and I bought this topper on Amazon to put on the cake, and it matches it perfectly. Because even though the reference photo didn't have gold, she added gold, and I'm like, that's clutch. Like, that's so perfect. Y'all, I'm so freaking tired. I was up until 2-3 o'clock blowing up balloons, and I'm about to set up the backdrop. And thank God I already had my own products.
It's your fucking birthday. It's a fucking celebration. Tonight we celebrate. It seems like time's out of our control. It's a celebration. Oh, yeah. It's your birthday, baby. It's your birthday. And who gonna love you in your worst day? You talk so tough.
Hey y'all, so I wanted to come up here and update you guys about Madison's birthday yesterday. Y'all, let me tell you, you see the minute Madison saw them balloons, her face was lit up. Not even 4th of July fireworks was lit up like her. Like, she was super ecstatic. She was so happy, and I'm happy to see her happy, because at the end of the day, that's the goal. And I don't know if you could hear the sound, but she literally have the balloons in the freaking shower right now. Like, girl, be so for real. But yeah, she loved her cake, she loved her balloons, she loved her toys, and I just love to see her happy. And also, am I crazy to be already planning her 5th birthday? Because according to my sister, I'm a crazy ass bitch. But it's just like, I don't want to wait till the time come. I'm wondering and pondering, like, what the hell I'm gonna do. You get what I'm saying? So I don't feel like I'm crazy. No, we're not doing it. But on that note, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I don't ever say that because I feel like if people want to subscribe, they're going to subscribe. So why do I need to tell them? But people be saying, you know, they forget. I don't know how, but it is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Let's chat in the comments. That'd be my favorite part. It'd be the comments. It'd be the comments for me.